Hi guys, this is Andregante, and today I'm going to be showing you the safety and the basics of using a yo-yo. So if you want to play with a yo-yo, make sure to follow these safety guidelines. So first of all, if you're outside, make sure to play in an open space so you don't hit any objects with your yo-yo. And if you're inside like me, the best way possible is to open out your arms like this and just turn around and make sure you're not hitting anything. So that's gonna help you not hit anything. Now let's get to the strings. So now I'm gonna be opening a string. So to determine the height of your yo-yo, you're always gonna need a string. So I'm gonna put the yo-yo string all the way to the ground. I'm gonna see to my belly button. So my belly button's right here. I'm gonna look a little higher, so like right over here. So I can just do this. Make a little loop, and that's it. But why you need to do this? It's because you hit your yo-yo on the floor, and you get more power, and your yo-yo rolls more. So that's it for the yo-yo. So we have the right string length. Now I'm gonna show you how to string the yo-yo. So first, we're gonna take the end of the yo-yo string, and we're just gonna take like a point, like not too far from the end. I'm just gonna unroll it, all right? And once it's unrolled enough, I can just stick my finger into one of them. Yep. Just like that. I'm gonna unroll this side. Right? Now I'm gonna take my yo-yo. Just kind of gently do that. And that's it. That's how you string a yo-yo. Now that we string the yo-yo, let me show you how to roll it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your index finger on your left hand. Depends if you're a righty or lefty. If you're a righty, take your left hand index finger. If you're a lefty, right hand index finger. I'm a righty, so I'm gonna put my left hand index finger. And I'm just gonna take the yo-yo string, move, take it off, and just go on. Get a grip, and there you go. That's it. And then, yeah, that's all for winding up your yo-yo. Now that we have our yo-yo string on and we know how to wind up our yo-yo, let's learn how to make a slip knot. So now I'm gonna let my yo-yo go all the way down. And now, so this hole, many people think you're supposed to put your finger through that, but you're never supposed to put your finger through that. So that's why you need to make a slip knot every time you play with your yo-yo. So you're gonna take the hole, I'm gonna take this string, you're just gonna simply put it through the hole and pull. Pull. Now we have a knot that fits any size and finger. So I can just put my thing in there, it locks in. I can wind it right up. And there you go. Now we'll be doing the pendulum experiment. First off, what is a pendulum? A pendulum is a mass, in this case, which is the yo-yo, and a fixed point, in this case, which is my partner's hand. And gravity is pulling the pendulum down. So right in the experiment, we're going to be counting with something called an oscillation. An oscillation is when a yo-yo goes, when the pendulum goes like this, goes here, and goes back. That is one oscillation. And we're going to be doing 10 of those. And I have a stopwatch on me. And we're going to see how much time it takes for doing 10 of those. Once, we're going to be doing it with 12 to 16 inches of string. And the second time, we're going to be doing it with 6 to 8 inches of string. And we'll be comparing those at the end. So let's get started. Prepare my thing. And 3, 2, 1. 1 oscillation, 2 oscillation, 3 oscillation, 4 oscillation, 5 oscillation, 6 oscillation, 7 oscillation, 8 oscillation, 9 oscillation, 10 oscillation. That is 11.65 seconds. So now we're going to use 6 to 8 inches of string. There we go. And we're going to do the same thing. So 11.65. 3, 2, 1. 1 oscillation, 2 oscillation, 3 oscillation, 4 oscillation, 5 oscillation, 6 oscillation, 7 oscillation, 8 oscillation, 9 oscillation, 10 oscillation. So this surprisingly took 8.7 seconds. And the previous one was 11.65 seconds. So we can tell that the more less the string, the more less the period. The more longer the string, the more longer the period. So that's the pendulum experience. Now I'm going to show you 2 tricks. The first one is the gravity pull, which is fairly easy. All you're going to do, just make a muscle. That's it. So the next one I'm going to show you is the sleeper. So the sleeper, it's technically the same thing as the gravity pull. Make a muscle, let it sleep where it is, and then I'm going to pull up. That's why it's called a sleeper. Again, I'm going to do it, sleep, and pull it back up.